Hey guys, so here's a home decorators collection, Palm Cove. This is at my dad's girlfriend's house. This is one of, I think, 9 ceiling fans. So we'll start this one up on low. I think this one's been out here for a decent amount of time because, yeah, it's pretty dark, I know. Motion detector lights, make sure it stays on. Davis has one of these, I think in his mom's room or whatever. I don't know if we're gonna feel any air because it's pretty windy outside. So we're not really gonna get the full performance of this fan, I don't think. Here's medium. Pretty slow, but not... It looks slower on video than it actually is for some reason, I don't know why. Oh, I feel air from it. That's not bad at all. Here's high. I think this might have a bad capacitor. The blades are also really pitched, so I guess someone put more pits on this thing at one point. There's high. Oh yeah, it actually blows quite a bit of air. I'm surprised. I'm very surprised. I didn't expect to feel air from it, because it's pretty high up as well. And it's not going fast at all. Thank you for watching.